What's up guys, this is Mohammed, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get Arri Alexa colors from your Panasonic GH5, GH5S, or your Blackmagic Pocket Camera 4K or 6K. So about 6 months ago, I saw these LUTs from Emotive Color that promise Arri Alexa colors from your Panasonic GH5, GH5S, or Pocket Camera 4K or 6K. And I was curious to try them out, so I bought these LUTs for the Panasonic GH5. There are two versions, there's the daylight version and the tungsten version. I bought both of them. And the cost of these LUTs are a bit on the high side. They're $35 each, $35 for the daylight, $35 for the tungsten version. But I feel like it's worth it because the colors that I've been getting using these LUTs are amazing. So in the past year, our work has primarily been covering wedding and engagement parties. And the most important thing when it comes to color grading any footage of brides and grooms is the skin tones. And this is what I love the most about the GHAlex LUTs. The skin tones are so good. And the skin tones have a real pop to them. They look smooth, but really natural, really beautiful. And this is something that the bride is really going to appreciate when you finally deliver that video to her. Another highlight of these LUTs is how it handles highlight roll-off. So I'm going to read from the Emotive Color website directly. This is what they say about how they handle highlight roll-off. Highlights just like film. Like the Alexa and film, the color conversion transforms rough transitions to clipping into a gradual and organic roll-off. Hue twists that are the result of unequal RGB channel clipping are eliminated while retaining leftover subtle detail just below full white. So whoever has shot film or has shot with an Arri tells you the greatest benefit to shooting on those big, huge, expensive cameras is the highlight roll-off. Usually video cameras, DSLRs, mirrorless cameras have a very rough highlight cutoff. There's no gradient. It kind of clips, like it goes to having some detail into just completely blown out. And this is what the GHAlex LUT or GH Pocket, whatever, the Emotive Color Arri Alexa LUTs promises is the gradient or graduation in the highlight roll-off. There are three things you're going to notice when you apply these LUTs on your files. First thing is it's not a ready LUT. This is not something you're going to drop on your file and export. You need to work and you need to color grade these files. The second thing you're going to notice is the highlights will be brought way down. And this is because in cinematography, you always have to protect your highlights. Even if you're going to blow them out, they need to be at a level where they're not protruding in the scene, they're not taking attention away from the subject. And these LUTs really take those highlights down and make them in a way that they're not going to take attention away from your subject. And the third thing you're going to notice is how at first your skin tones will look really pink and blown out. And this is because Emotive Color tells you need to expose your log footage at an even level. We usually expose log, at +1 or +2, we say expose to the right. But this footage, the footage that you're going to use the GHAlex or Emotive Color LUTs with, needs to be exposed at 0. Even if you overexpose your footage, you have some footage from before you got these LUTs, or in the field you overexpose the image, you can bring the midtones down and still work with the footage. Now, one last note is these LUTs are for specific cameras. The Panasonic GH5 is different from the Panasonic GH5S because the GH5S has a different color science than the GH5. But I'm pretty sure that the GH5 LUTs will also work with the G9 Vlog-L files. If you have that upgrade for the G9. I unfortunately do not have the Vlog-L upgrade for the G9, so I cannot test it myself, but I'm pretty sure that they will work seeing as they have the same sensor. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it informative. And if you do like this video, please leave a like and tell us what you think in the comments and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.